Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will learn how to design simple path like this in SolidWorks. Okay, just start it, open SolidWorks, and for unit ensure select in millimeter gram second. Can see again for this drawing. Not all dimensions are in millimeter, all fillet and round are to material alloy steel, and here is section view from side view or like view here, and here is top view, here a full part or isometric view. Okay, we can see in here this shape have a shape like a cylinder. So we just to make from front plane, just click sketch. We can make this shape with a revolve boss or base. So just select midpoint line, draw from the center like this. Right click on this line and click construction geometry. Set for length, total length here in 78. Just put here in 78 millimeter, and just draw line like this. This, 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 and this. Ensure this line click make horizontal. This line click control, and this line just click make horizontal and just click make equal. This line and this line. This point click control, select this point, just click make vertical. This point click control and select this point, just click make vertical. Then we can set for length here to here in 20. So set here in 20 millimeter. Then here have outer radius in 30. So radius or diameter in here in 60 millimeter. And this line to this line have center hole in here in 22 millimeter. Diameter in 22 millimeter. Like this. It's so simple. And here to here in 36 millimeter. Diameter this line to the center line in 36 millimeter. So after we make sketch like this, just select feature and click fold boss or mesh. Axis of revolution automatically in this center line and just click OK. We can see from section view and click OK. The result like this. It's so simple. Click again on section view. Now in here have hole diameter in 16. So right click on top plane, just click sketch. Draw circle from this center. Set for diameter in 16 millimeter. Then just click extrude cut. Direction to below and change direction in through all. Just click OK. Like this. Now right click on this face and just click sketch. Have a cut like this, deep in 10 millimeter. So first convert entities for this edge. Just click OK and select line. Draw from this to this. Ensure this line click and make horizontal. Set for we can trim entities for this, and we just need like this sketch. Now we can set for dimension. This line, click shift on your keyboard and click this edge. We can see in here distance here in 52 millimeter. This cut this face to this circle in 52 millimeter. 52 millimeter like this. Now just select feature and click extrude cut. Direction change in blind, and for dip in 10 millimeter, just click OK. 10 millimeter for dip, and here have both side cut like this. So we can to mirror. Feature to mirror, just click here or cut extrude to, and mirror face or plane, just like right plane. Click OK, and then it's so easy and simple. Now we can to make sketch like this. Here have same thickness and same distance in here. So right click on right plane, just click sketch. Now we can to draw to circle like this. Ensure the center of circle and click this point, just click make vertical. Then set for dimension distance in 80 millimeter like this. First circle or hole in here, diameter in 14, and second circle have diameter in 28 millimeter. Then we can do convert entities for this edge and this edge. Just click OK and draw line here to here. Ensure this line, click Ctrl and select this circle. Just click make tangent. Click this line, click Ctrl and select this. Just click make tangent. Now we can do mirror entities for this line. Mirror about, just like in front plane. And it is the mirror, click this line and just click OK. Then we can do trim entities for this. Just click OK. Now we have sketch like this. Then just select feature and click extrude boss or base. Selected contour, just select this sketch. We can see in here. Distance this to this in 30. So a half of 30 is 15. So from in here we can set in offset. Set in 15 millimeter. And here thickness in 10 millimeter. Direction in blend and thickness in 10 millimeter. Just click OK. Click again on sketch 4 and click extrude boss or base again. Selected contour. Now select this sketch. Like before, from set offset in 15 millimeter, but thickness in here in 15 millimeter. So set in here in 15 millimeter. Just click OK and done. After the massacre like this, here have two part like this, or sorry, two sketch like this. Here it is identical, have same measure and distance like this is symmetry. So we can to mirror, and it is mirror to feature, just like this, boss extrude 1, and just like this, boss extrude 2, and mirror face or plane, just like in right plane. Click OK and done. It's so easy like this. Now in here in the mid have a rib thickness in 7. Right click on front plane and just click sketch. Draw line here to here. Set for this distance, this line to this point, distance in 65 millimeter. Then just select feature and click rib. Thickness keep on both sides, and for thickness change in 7 millimeter. Direction is correct to bottom like this. Just click OK and done. Now here have hole with have thread M12 by 1.25. Right click on this face and just click sketch. Now select circle. Ensure this center of circle and click this point, just click make vertical. Then set diameter in 12 millimeter and distance this center to this point in 47 millimeter. And just click feature and click extrude cut. Direction change in through all, just click OK. Now we can to make thread with feature, hole wizard and select thread. Just click OK. Now in here for specification, ensure type you select in metric tab and size in M12 by 1.25. And for thread location, just click this edge. Then for end condition, in here you can select in up to selection in this edge. And here we can to set an offset, maybe in 2 mm, reverse on offset in here. In here we make an offset so that the thread bolt can be installed like this, like this. Then we can to just select, click OK, and done. It's so easy, it's simple. Then here, don't forget all fillet and round in R2. So select fillet, change in 2 mm radius. Item to fillet just like this edge, 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 and this edge, this edge, and select this edge. Don't forget select this edge, and this edge. Now we can to rotate this edge, and select this edge. Sorry, this edge, this edge. Now just click OK. I forget in here. Right click and click Edit Feature. This edge and this edge. So this edge, and just click OK, and done. Like this, you can check for fillets in R2, radius 2 mm. Then we can to change for material in here. Right click on material and click Edit Material. In here, material alloy steel. So we can set here or click alloy steel, click apply and close. We can see from section view like this, and done. It's so easy. It's perfect for beginner to intermediate to learning or exercise how to make design SolidWorks parts like this in SolidWorks. I apologize if there are any mistake or error in this tutorial. Thank you for watching alien video and see you in the next tutorial. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.